All right, 21 after 8, good to have you with us. Another big court case we're following for you today. It's the 6 men charged with Babita Deokaran's murder going to finally go on trial today. The Gauteng health official assassinated back in August of 2021. To remind you what is our understanding of what she was involved in at the time, the process of exposing corruption to the tune of R1 billion in contracts at Thembisa Hospital. Let's go across to eNCA reporter Heidi Giokos following that for us. High Court in Joburg is where we find you. Heidi, good morning to you. Remind us how we got to this point, because I recall quite a few delays in this process as well.
Yes, certainly, Gareth, and we're hoping that there will be no further delay today. We are expecting the trial to begin related to the assassination of Chief Director Babita Deokaran in the Gauteng Health Department. We are getting indications that the trial might not commence today. Last night on eNCA, we were engaging with the family spokesperson. He did indicate that the family had been notified that the trial might not commence today. There have been a number of delays in this particular matter. We do know that 6 men stand accused of her killing. There have been delays because the accused have changed legal teams. I'm going to ask you to just bear with us for now. Gareth, we're just taking the camera off the tripod because we do know that Alta has just arrived. They are staging a protest outside the court here in support of the Deokaran family. Why is this matter so particularly important? It's important because Babita Deokaran was the whistleblower that lifted the lid on serious irregularities and corruption that was taking place in the Gauteng Health Department, particularly in Thembisa Hospital. News 24, and we must give them credit, really also did extensive investigative reporting about what was really going on. And because she was obviously investigating serious corruption and certain contracts at Thembisa Hospital, we do know that this could possibly be the reason why she was assassinated the way she was. The tragedy in all of this is that we still do not know who is the mastermind behind all of this. It's going to be critical to obviously see what happens in court today. The family has indicated that they will not be in attendance because they have been informed that nothing significant is going to happen today, Gareth.
And then, at least for the moment, Heidi, thank you very, very much, and goodbye to you. Do we know anything about the accused? I know it's loud where you are. Hopefully you can hear me now. Do we have any sense of who the accused are?
Not necessarily, Gareth. I mean, they have been in court for some time now. They were arrested quite soon after the assassination of Babita Deokaran. We do know that they have indicated that they were basically tortured when they were arrested. We do know that a number of them, if not all, I might be mistaken, they are from KwaZulu-Natal. At the end of the day, Gareth, they were just the hitmen that were arrested, that were obviously hired to assassinate Babita Deokaran. But at the end of the day, it's the mastermind that still needs to be arrested, and we still need to figure out who ordered this hit on Babita. But we do know it's 6 men that stand accused, most of them residing from KwaZulu-Natal.
All right, Heidi Giokos then for the moment, thank you. I'm sure we're going to hear from Outer later in the day. Very worrying when whistleblowers are not being protected in our country. We know the knock-on effect of that. So the court case into the murder of Babita Deokaran expected to get underway today. You can see all the banners, justice for Babita, but also other whistleblowers in our country. It's going to be a very, very important court case once it gets underway a little bit later.